I am calling all snipers. I am calling all end time warriors. Come to the front line. Come, learn how to operate in the authority that your commander-in-chief has given to you. Mark 16:17 says, "These signs shall follow those who believe in my name. They will cast out demons." What's the prerequisite? All you got to do is believe. So if you are a believer in Jesus Christ, automatically you should be driving out demons. It is our authority and it is our inheritance as children of God. We do not have to sit back and take what the enemy has been given to us through health issues, anxiety, depression, torment, all the things. But we have to be willing to do it the way that Jesus prescribed, which is drive out those demons. So I put together a 6-week boot camp for those who are tired, sick and tired of being drug around, their family and friends drug around, and the world just telling them to just get on more medication. I've developed this course so that you can come and learn how to operate in your authority and realize that it is not as hard as you may think in your mind that it is. I have been doing deliverance for a long time, and I've got a lot of stories, and I got a lot of testimony, and I've got a lot of expertise. And I'm going to share and equip and train. I'm going to put the registration link below. Click on it. You'll get more information of when it's going to be, where it's going to be, what time. Click on it. Register. Now is the time, church. Now is the time to be equipped.